So I wanted to show you how to use the digital images from the Unity Stamp website. The first thing that you need to do is go into your account, find your orders, and then find the order number where your digital stamps are. Then you want to click on Download Items, and you're going to go to that page, scroll down, and click on this link, and it's going to download it for you. After it's downloaded, you need to click on this and it will open it up. You need to come up here and click on Extract All. And I have a folder where I keep all of my digital stamps, so I'm going to select that folder. Click on Select Folder, and then click on Extract. I'm not going to do that because I've already downloaded this and I don't need to extract them. So I'm just going to click Cancel and exit out of all of this. The next thing that you need to do is open it up in a photo editing software. So I am going to show you how to use Adobe Elements first, or Photoshop. I have Photoshop Elements. I'm going to click on Photo Editor. And once it loads, you're going to go up here and click on File, New, Blank File. I'm going to make sure that I have US paper selected. That's 8.5 by 11. And I can get 4 card fronts, A2 card fronts from 8.5 by 11. So I'm going to click OK. Now, just so I know where the middles are at, I like to set guides. I'm going to go to View, New Guide. I'm going to set a vertical guide at 4.25. And then I'm going to set a horizontal guide at 5.5. And that's where that's going to mark, that's going to show me where my 4 card fronts will be. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my images where I have them. I want to use this Pray More, Stress Less image, so I'm going to just drag that and drop it into Photoshop. I'm going to go back and I'm going to get the next one that I want to use is this frame, the floral frame from Jesus and Germs. And I'm going to drag that over to Photoshop. So then I'm going to go back to my blank file. I'm going to take the frame and drag it onto my base. I'm going to move it up here in this quadrant. And then if I want to resize it at all, I can do that. So I'll zoom in a little bit here and drag it from the corner. Always drag from the corner, because if you don't, it will stretch the image out. Like if I drag from here, it's going to stretch it out and make it kind of weird looking. So if that accidentally happens, you just go back down here and click on this box that says Constrain Proportions, and it will resize it for you. So I just need to resize this so it fits in my frame here. So I'm going to drag it up. I'm going to resize it a little more. And then click the check mark when I'm done. Okay, now I want that Pray More, Stress Less. I'm going to go to my photo bin and grab it and drag it onto here. I'm going to drag this up and put it in the middle of the frame. Now I want it to fill that frame, so I'm going to drag from the corner again and resize it and make sure it fits in that frame. So I'm going to drag it a little bit more, make it a little bigger, and then click the check mark. So that's how I know